Hi, it's Jen from Shabby Fabrics with a new notion that if you do foundation paper piecing or you're ever trying to rip paper from maybe doing triangles on a roll, star singles, and you just can't get that paper clean away, the Gypsy Quilter has their ultra fine, EZ Tweezey precision detailed tweezers. That's a lot of words right there to basically say this thing is really sharp, and when you're just trying to get that spot your fingers can't grab, this will do it. Great tool. Definitely has a safety cap. You want to keep track of that one. Just squeeze those together. You can remove that, maybe tape that almost to something so you don't lose that. These are really sharp. So, I love to do star singles, half square triangles. I love doing them with the star singles. Sometimes when I tear that paper away, I have such a short stitch length, it really almost locks some of that paper in underneath my thread. But if I had, let's say I had a difficulty getting a piece out, like sometimes in the corners, I definitely have that problem. We'll just come to the side here, and it's just a great way to get into those areas that really my fingers just kind of struggle to get into. And I know if you do even machine embroidery, maybe you're trying to get that stabilizer off the back of the project, if that's a removable stabilizer. I know I've heard from our team that does the machine embroidery, they love this new notion. So if you're looking to add something to your sewing room that has some really nice utility, when you're just like, where is that tool that's going to help me? This is the one. So be sure to grab those up. Maybe that's a great gift for a sewing friend as well. Thanks for giving me a couple minutes of your day, and I'll see you soon.